Hello guys, hope you all doing great. So today I am going to find out that whether these magnetic chargers or magnetic cables are beneficial in our daily life or not. So this is a magnetic cable charging with which is kind of cheap, but I believe like if the cheap gadget can make any difference in your daily life, then the good one definitely will work. So let's start unwrapping this product. Actually, I got this charger from Amazon in 900 rupees. It's cheap, but not too cheap. At least it's not cheap for me. Okay, guys, let's describe this. What these magnetic cables, data cables are. Actually, according to this box, it is a metal magnetic data cable as well as a charging cable. This is for iPhone and one pin for Android. This cable is for both iPhone and Android users as given over the box. So this box includes one pin for Android users. This is for the Android users, and this is for the iPhone users. And I think I'll print it over the box. Features: metal magnetic, super magnetic absorption, and not easy to fall off. It says that it's kind of very tough magnet. Here it is, as you can see it is. So let's put this data cable to the test. Okay, and the clip. I will first start with Android phone. This is an Android phone, Meizu M2 Note. I'm using a normal Samsung charger. It's an old Samsung charger. This charger belongs to a Samsung Galaxy A5, and I will plug this data cable or charging cable, whatever you want to call it, you can call. Good fit, no loose ends. I'll connect this in a wall socket, or you can connect it anywhere where you can you easily charge your phone. So if you can see, I don't know if you can see or not, there's a blue light indicating over here. It means it's not going to indicate that your phone is connected or not. It will keep on lightning when you connect your phone into your wall socket, electricity socket. And this is the Android pin. Let's put this over here. It requires a force little bit, so it's in. You have to press it hard little, then it's in. Now let's plug in, and it's charging. I don't know how much it's going to charge your phone, how much time it's going to charge your phone, but I will mention that in the end of the video. If you want, I will make another video in the charging time of this video of this phone. Let's do it one more time. It's connected. magnets are not too strong, but yeah, it can work. Actually, according to me, these cables are invented to prevent damage of charging slots. Like, we people use our phones while charging, we play games while charging, we watch movies while charging. So at that time, it more likely to damage the phone charging slot. So this kind of cables can be detached if they are moving in an unmannered way or uneven way. So this cable is charging the Android phone. Now let me check it on an iPhone. This is an iPhone SE model. Inject the iPhone pin and connect this. It's not syncing very well, but you know, you don't, according to me, you don't have to expend too much money on a cable which is good at syncing. It should be good at even charging. See, it's charging. So I will put a charging time, that how much this cable is going to take to charge your phone from 0 to 100, in the end of the description or in end of this video. So if you want, you can check it over the description or in the end of this video. Okay, now one more thing. Now let's put a cover over this phone and that Android phone and see whether this charging pin can more likely to fit in your cover or not. Let me first take this out. I don't know how to take this out. There is no any pin or any plastic ejector given in this box. Keep it there. See, it's good. That's a good fit for this cover, at least for this cover. Now put this Android phone in a cover box. This is a hard cover. Yeah, it's good fit over here as well. So this is a magnetic data cable and charging cable. So this is all about this product, magnetic data cable or charging cable. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe this video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Have a great day.